Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to find a song you don't know the name of by humming. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, Shazam, a popular music identification app, allows you to find a song by humming or singing. So here's how you can use Shazam to identify a song on your device. So first thing we need to do is, if you don't have the Shazam app installed, download it from the App Store. Step 2. Launch the Shazam app on your iPhone. Step 3. Look for the prominent Shazam button in the middle of the screen. Tap on it to start the listening process. Step 4. While the app is listening, you have to start humming, singing, or playing the tune of the song you want to identify. Make sure your device's microphone can pick up the sound clearly. Step 5. Shazam will process the audio and attempt to identify the song based on your humming or singing. Step 6. Once the song is successfully identified, Shazam will display the details of the song, including the title, artist, and album. Shazam often provides additional features such as lyrics, related videos, and the option to add the song to your Apple Music library. Now, Shazam typically allows you to save or share the identified song, making it easy to revisit or share your musical discoveries. If you encounter any difficulties, or if the app doesn't have the exact feature described, check the app's settings or refer to the app's help section for guidance. Additionally, ensure that your device is connected to the internet during the identification process, as Shazam relies on online database for song recognition. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.